Hello guys, it's Jen and I am back again with another YouTube video, and today we are doing a what I eat in a day. So the first thing I have in the morning are my 2 vitamins by Holier. They're a vegan essential vitamin. It gives you all of the basically vitamins that you're missing when you do transition to a vegan diet. It puts all of them into one pill or 2 pills and you take them every morning. So after I take my Holier pills, I'll go into the kitchen and I have me a tall glass of water along with a juice. Since Joe has been working from home, we have been doing a lot of juices in-house. So this is a juice created by him. I don't even remember what's in it, but it was really yummy. So after about an hour, I got hungry for breakfast and I started off with a smoothie. So in here you see blueberries, you see strawberries, you see 1 pack of acai. For the measurements, I believe that is half a cup of each. That's half a cup of strawberry, half a cup of blueberry, and 1 acai berry pack. And then I added a half a cup of frozen mango and a half or 1 cup of pomegranate juice. And I blend, oh, maybe I only did 1 cup. Okay, so yeah, just 1 cup of pomegranate juice, and I blended all of that up. And it made 2 juices. I meant 2 smoothies, 1 for me and 1 for Joe. And that is what we ended up having while I was making breakfast. Alright, so for breakfast, I am a pancake waffle type of person. I like sweet breakfasts, but I also sometimes like savory. But this morning I was in a sweet mood, so we ended up making pancakes. And I had this yogurt. It was so good, guys. Like, this yogurt is bomb. It's like a whipped yogurt. And no one's tried it, you definitely should. I love it. And then for lunch, let's move on to lunch. I wanted to make a BLT salad, so I took out some leftover veggies from a little veggie container. I got some peppers, some tomato, some romaine. I cut it all up. And then I got to cooking 4 slices of the Light Life bacon. So good, y'all. So good. And then I also got some of the Follow Your Heart ranch to pour on top, and I tore that salad down. It was so good. I also put hemp seeds on top just for a little bit more protein. But as you can see, it's gone. The salad no longer exists. And then here is a snack that I made after lunch with some hummus that I got from Aldi and just some veggies and some Aldi pretzels that I got that are gluten-free. And now we are on our way to dinner. So for dinner, we had Jamaican beef patties. So this is a butter turmeric crust. I'll leave the recipe to this down below if y'all want it. I'll also leave the recipe to the pancakes down below too. But so it's a flaky turmeric butter crust, and then I do a Beyond lentil loaf filling that I already had like I had already pre-made the filling. So I was just pulling that out. I think I already pre-made the dough too, to be honest. But I just pulled those out, I rolled those up, and I made us some Jamaican beef patties for dinner. And the concept is so easy. Basically just fork them down, close them down, and then you enjoy. So I cut all of the excess away. Boom. Y'all can see how it's going down. And then you bake them in the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. And then you enjoy with some rice and peas. Y'all have a great day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you are always blessed, stress-free. Have a wonderful week, wonderful year. And I will see you in my next video. Bye-bye.
Wait.